snip, 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 snip. What's up, everybody? So this morning I spent like 2.5 hours in a meeting. I went and had some breakfast with a friend, a work from friend. This is how this day's been going. I went and had breakfast. I went and had breakfast with a friend from work, and then came home and slept for 5 hours. 5 hours! I feel like a train smashed into me just now. My body is literally in pain. I don't do well with sleeping that long. I feel like I haven't made a video in I feel like I missed a day, but I didn't because I looked on the calendar. So I got a haircut, as you can tell, and after my 5-hour nap, I'm just too lazy to fix my hair. So when I was sitting there getting my hair cut, the lady had just gotten started, snip, snip, and she stops and says, "Excuse me, I'm gonna go grab a Band-Aid." What? She didn't offer any explanation, she just walked off really quickly. Was the Band-Aid for her? Was the Band-Aid for me? Did she cut my head? I'm freaking out and I'm trying to reach up and make sure. And if it's not for me, is she bleeding on my head? That's disgusting. So she finally comes back and I notice she's got a Band-Aid on her hand. And she sits there for a minute and I'm just like, and she goes, "I cut myself like a week ago and it was so deep that every time I hit the gash it just starts bleeding again." You're a hairdresser, lady. You should have had a Band-Aid on that anyway. You don't want to be leaking your blood on someone's hair. What? What? I'm a server, and if I have a cut, I have to have a Band-Aid and a glove on it so that I don't bleed all over your food. How's it any different if I bleed all over your food or if you bleed all over me? In the end, I was okay with the haircut, but I was not okay with the fact that this woman almost bled on me. Blood is creepy, disgusting, and gross. So in the comments below, leave the story of the weirdest haircut experience you've ever had, and let's just bond. Don't forget to check out last week's video because I still want you guys to post your scary stories down in the comments on that one. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and all that thing. All the links are in the description below because I want to be able to connect with you guys. And don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to Jeffrey's channel. Link. Until next time.